The first question, find the area A of the region bounded between the curve y is equal to square root of x plus 3, okay, and y is equal to x plus 3 over 2. Okay, so the question already tells you, the question already draws you the graph. Okay, so you can see these two functions, they meet at 2 points, right? The first point they meet is negative 3, 0. Okay, because here, if it's negative 3, this part is 0. If it's negative 3, this part is 0. Okay, so that's the first point they meet. So the second point they meet is 1, 2. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. Okay, again, because when this is 1, y is square root of 4. Right? This is 1, this is 2. So if the question didn't draw the graph, if there's no graph in the question, you can also get these 2 points by solve. Right? You can also get these 2 points by solve this equation. Right? This is equal to this, then you square both sides. Okay, then it's just a quadratic equation. You keep solving it, you will get the answer. Okay. Then what about the two functions? This function is very easy. It's a straight line. So all you need to do, just connect them. And this function, right, it is a function like this. Okay. Then the question asks you to find this area, right, the area of this region. So the area of any region, okay, you just integrate from the left where they meet and all the way to the right. Okay, and for the two functions, if the region is bounded by two functions, you just always use the top function minus the bottom function. Okay, so here, the left, right, on the left, they meet when x is negative 3. On the right, they meet when x is positive 1. So it's from negative 3 to 1. And then the top function, you can see this function is always higher than this function. Okay, so it's square root of x plus 3 minus half x plus 3. Okay, so this is going to be the area. Okay, when you do the integration, here it's just a simple integration of polynomials. And for example, your x to the power of n, if you differentiate it, there will be nx n minus 1. Right? Then if you integrate x to the power of n, you will get x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. Right? This is because if you differentiate this part, you'll get n plus 1 times x to the power of n. And these two parts, they cancel out. Okay, so that's why you integrate x to the power of n, you'll get this. This is just a formula. Okay. Of course, you need to plus c, but here it's, okay, whenever it's indefinite integration, you plus c. So here it's a definite integration, you don't need to include this part. All right, so let's write down. So it's the integration of x plus 3 to the power of, right, square root is to the power of half, minus half x, right, minus 3 over 2. Okay, so here, you integrate this part, then the power will be half plus 1. Okay, the power will be half plus 1, so it will be 3 over 2. Then it's 3 over 2, so you should divide by 3 over 2, right? Which means you need to multiply 2 over 3 in front. Okay, similarly, minus half, right? X, you integrate it, it should be x squared. Right? But if you x squared, you differentiate it, you get 2x. So now we only need x. So you divide by half. Okay. Then 2 over 3. 2 over 3 integrated is just 2 over 3. Sorry, 3 over 2. Right? It's just 3 over 2x. Okay. And then all you need to do is do the substitution. So when x is 1, you do the substitution, 2 over 3. So it's 1 plus 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Minus here is 1 over 4 times 1 squared minus 3 over 2 times 1. Okay, minus when x is negative 3, right? So it's 3 over 2 negative 3. So I should use this. Okay, negative 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Right? And then here it's minus 1 over 4, negative 3 squared. Okay, minus 3 over 2, negative 3. Right? Then, okay, let's finish it. Right? It's the first time, so 2 over 3 times 4 to the power of 3 over 2 minus just 1 over 4 minus 3 over 2. Right, here minus, okay, this first part is 0, then the second part is minus 9 over 4. The third part is plus 9 over 2. Okay, let's just finish it. 4, you first square it, so you get 2. 2 to the power of 3, it's 8, right? So it's 16 over 3 minus 1 over 4 minus 3 over 2. Right, here, 9 over 2 minus 9 over 4, it's 9 over 4. Right, so it's minus 9 over 4. Okay, this part, so it will be minus 10 over 4, which will be minus 5 over 2. Right, then minus 3 over 2, then which is minus 4. Okay, so it's just 16 over 3 minus 4. It is 4 over 3. Okay. So for the integration, the most important part is from this step to this step, right? You actually do the integration. Then when you do the substitution, as long as you don't make any careless mistakes, there shouldn't be anything difficult here.